Hello everyone, this is Candice Pintonelia, and today I'm going to be talking about how do you conceal your dark circles, blemishes, acne, pigmentation around the mouth and skin. And I think it's so important for everyone to know basic concealing, not major, because most of us are not traveling outside. But sometimes when you're talking to someone and you know you have acne and skin problems, it's so important like to cover them up so you're not so conscious about it and you feel more confident. So let's get started while I show you how to conceal it. So before you start using a concealer, make sure your skin is well moisturized. And I have many moisturizers. I always use my favorite Nivea. But right now I have this glow. And there's one advantage about being in the fashion industry that I get gifted amazing makeup products by different brands to try it out because we do use a lot of makeup. So today I'm trying the Glow, the brightening toner. So make sure your skin is well moisturized before you apply any kind of concealer or foundation. So I've completely moisturized my skin right now, and there are certain things you need to know about concealers. Is that this palette has like brown shades of concealer, and I normally use the orange sometimes and sometimes the yellow. But you do get a variety of colors. You get salmon pink, you get yellow, you get purple, you have green, and then you also have your own skin tone and yellow. So depending on your skin type, you're supposed to use that kind of concealer because an extremely fairer complexion, you can't really use this because it'll just pop out and won't solve the purpose. So at the moment I'm using this and this mix, but yeah, sometimes I get tan, so I use only the orange. And so the importance of concealer is to hide your blemishes, your dark circles, and to conceal it before you apply any kind of foundation. So it evens your skin out. And I think it's really important to conceal small little pigmentation. So let's get started. So obviously I have my concealer palette, and I have my little sponge and a little brush. So right now you can see I have a little bit of dark circles. I have a little spot here, a little bit of pigmentation on my cheek area. But trust me, I know people who have got a lot of acne, pimples, blemishes, black marks sometimes, and you wear glasses for a very long time. So you just need a small little brush or your finger. So all you have to do is and dab it. I'm going to be mixing a bit of yellow as well because I've lost all my tan now. As you can see, yeah. All you have to do is dab. And make sure that you don't really rub it too hard. It's a little bit of dab. Wherever you think you have pigmentation or spots, you just have to just dab it on it. And I'll use a little bit on... See, these areas are always darker. When there are minute spots like acne and pimples, you just have to use an applicator and just dab it and then tap it on it. And I have right now I look a bit funny. As you can see, okay, I've covered my problem areas. So if you have little acne, so I'm sure there's going to be more cover up to do. But take your time, be patient. And the next step, so I'm going to use a bit of my foundation. See, once you're covering up little spots, you don't need to put a lot of foundation. It'll look too cakey otherwise. So I'll use some on my hand. And the whole magic about using a foundation is a good sponge. You can use it with your finger as well. Yeah. And all you have to do is dab. You can practice it on your hand first and then start. See here? It's just so simple. And make sure you don't rub, because otherwise all the spots and the covered areas that you actually conceal will start rubbing off. So make sure you just dab it. See the difference? It's just so smooth. And make sure you evenly apply it. So all you have to do is dab. So I've kind of completed the surrounding of my face. Now what I'm going to do is use the lighter shade to conceal my dark circles better. Yeah. See, the orange concealer, the tone has really helped. You can see the difference. I still have a little bit to cover up now. I'll do the other side. So I've actually concealed my under eyes as well, and then you can use a little bit around your mouth area or your lips. By applying a little foundation in your lips, you can actually draw your outline of your lipstick really beautifully. It's like on a slate when you're actually trying to draw something. A clean slate is always good. Voila! Now, when you're actually powdering your face, make sure you don't put a lot of powder, otherwise it gets too chalky. So I'm using my Studio Fix because I don't need much. And if you put too much, then the beautiful sheen, the natural sheen that you've used with your moisturizer will also go away. So every time, make sure you dab it on your hand and then just tap it. See ya? So guys, it is really simple. I've done a complete cover up for my face. Didn't use much foundation. I use liquid, which is really light. And the best is to use a 24-hour foundation. I have the Maybelline, which has a 24 hours, but I've applied the MAC right now. So keep trying the concealer on your skin tone accordingly to decide which one actually suits you better. And practice obviously will make you improvise on the actual concealer for your skin tone. And don't be afraid to wear it even when you're stepping out, because people who have acne and they have skin problems, I do understand the feeling, because sometimes when I have a bad skin day, it affects me so much considering I have great skin. So I can imagine what people go through when they have actual skin problems. So make sure you have a palette like this, or the other palette which has a different variety of colors, is green, purple, lavender, yellow skin tone. Always make sure you have that with you, because that's like magic for your dark circles and pigmentation. So I hope you enjoy this video and it's useful for you. So don't forget to get your palette, either this concealer palette or the ones with the different colors that I mentioned about, and try it at home and tell me how it goes. It will make your life much more easier, and you can step out without feeling more cautious about your skin if you're having a bad skin day. I hope you like this video. If you do like it, do subscribe to my channel, Candice Pinto, and I shall be back for more. See ya!